Hi everyone, today we will present how to replace the protection board of SOK battery. First, we should remove the 10 screws around the cover with a cross screwdriver. Then remove the screws on the two poles with a 10mm screw matrix socket wrench. First the negative, then the positive. After taking off the cover, it's time to remove the 4 screws on the steel racks. Then the 4 on the black racks. Pull out the balance wire at the same time. In the left side, there's a screw on the temperature sensor that needs to be removed. Next, we can remove the protection board. This red wire needs to be connected to the positive pole of the battery, passing through the bottom of the rack. The left hole here is for 100 amp-hours current, and the right is for 206 amp-hours current. This white old version high-temperature pop wire is not needed because the new protection board already has one wired in. Fix the protection board and the iron plate with a thermal adhesive and lock the 10 screws on the plate. Put the protection board back into the case and fix it. Making temperature sensor in touch with the black iron plates will be alright. Connect the balance wire. Fix the temperature sensor on the screw in the left side of the case. After installing the new BMS, please charge the battery cells. Bypass the BMS charging line around 10 minutes and then close the lid. Before putting on the cover, we should put the screw on the positive side first, then the negative side. Last, screw down the cover, and the whole replacing process is done.